guys, it's me, Triple G, and welcome back to another YouTube video. Alright, I know y'all see it. It's makeup time. um, if you didn't realize it's makeup time, but gosh, what? Let me not do too much. So, let's get into what the premise of this video is. I kind of figured out a new like everyday natural everyday look that I really like, especially for well, not especially for anything. It could go good with any event. You could spruce it up a little more if you want. You could leave it closer to the natural side if you want. I'm just excited to share it because I really like it. And yeah, in the second part of this video, I want to give like a little like life update per se. I really actually wanted to do like a Q&A video to like so we can get to know each other more. Y'all ask me questions and you know I answer them, you know, Q&A. But I definitely want to do that. So any questions you want to ask me, it can be about makeup, can be about gaming, can be personal questions to a certain extent, you know. Let's keep it appropriate. But yeah. You can ask me down in the comments below or any of my socials. So I'm excited for that. Yes. But to the point of the to the quick life update that I wanted to give you guys. So as you guys know, I am a makeup artist outside of YouTube and social media. And as of the past, really it's been this year as a whole, but probably like the past like 5 months, been working towards some pretty big things that I'm extremely excited for. You know, manifesting. To put it, oh my gosh, I'm rambling. To put it simple, I'm working towards getting my union membership, and within specifically makeup, and then it's like also like slash hair, but I'm mostly within the makeup part of it. With your union membership, that opens up more opportunities to work within the film industry. And I've been really like working towards wanting to work on a specific show that is filmed in Atlanta. I don't know if I want to say the specific show or keep it a little mystery or whatever, you know. I don't know yet. I'll add it in editing if I decide to tell you. But it is filmed in Atlanta. It is sci-fi, so some special effects will be within the show too. As y'all know, I'm an overall makeup artist. But yes, and it's on Netflix. That's all I'm gonna say, unless I decide to say it. I don't know why I'm being extra, but yes. And to achieve my union membership, I have to have at least 180 days of paid production, and that's not just any production. It has to be like theater, like musicals, plays, professional productions, and like your indie films, commercials, applying makeup for like news anchors, stuff like that, and it has to be paid. So I'm really starting to hone in on that throughout the end of the year into the beginning of next year. Of course, I'm gonna be still posting videos and stuff. This is not what this video is about. But I do want to let y'all know that, because if videos are like sparse sometimes, or like I might not have posted that day I usually post, stuff like that, that is why. And yes, I just wanted to like let you guys know and bring out into my little bit more of like the personal life outside of YouTube, gaming, and the specific makeup that I post on YouTube. But yes, I live right outside of Atlanta, Georgia. So if you guys know of any productions coming up out of those specific not standards, those specific why am I forgetting the word, those specific type of productions that I listened to you listed to you guys a few seconds ago. If you all guys know anything, please hit me up. You can comment in this section, in the comment section. You can DM me on my social media. That's all in the description below. But yes, I'm very excited. I full-heartedly believe that I'll get this and beyond. Not just the specific show that I'm like striving for. Like, it's my specific goal right now, but this will lead to other like amazing great things, of course. But yeah, I think I was rambling about that long enough. Let's get right into the tutorial. Alright guys, let's get right into it. Make sure if you're going out, put your moisturizer and sunscreen on. Protect that skin, take care of that skin. Take care of that skin. But before we do anything, you guys know, for your oily girls, because I'm an oily girl, make sure some type of mattifying primer, sprays. You can even put a little bit of pressed powder on before. That will help control the oils. That'll help control the oils. And all right here is extremely oily on me. So we're gonna be spraying on this Revlon Matte Fix Spray. And we're gonna put a little bit of this NYX Shine Killer Primer, but specifically on the nose, just on the nose, because that's the oiliest spot on me. So we're gonna do that real quick, and I'll be back with you guys. Okay, I wasn't gonna come back on until after I did my brows, but I specifically forgot to say that I'm also gonna throw my brows on. And if you guys want a more simplified tutorial, because I already have a tutorial for eyebrows on the channel, you can find that. I really hope it's the right corner that YouTube puts. I'm pretty sure it's this corner. It could be this corner. Click there for the very in detail tutorial. One of my first videos, by the way. So yeah, support. But I can do like a more it's simple but quick, because it doesn't need to be that in detail for everybody, so I can definitely provide that for you guys. But I'm gonna throw on the eyebrows. Finally got these things waxed, so I'm excited about that. So yeah, I'm gonna go throw them on, and I'll be back with you guys. Actually, I do want to throw in this clip, a little clip of me doing my eyebrows, because this is a more your quick on the go everyday look. So I wanted to show you the technique I do specifically for a situation like that. This is not a full glam brow. This is your nice natural brow. Not even gonna use concealer today. Not even gonna use concealer. Specifically, especially when my eyebrows are freshly waxed. So what I do is I just do little hair-like strokes in like the more bald spots of my eyebrow, or like areas that need like a little bit of connection to keep the shape that I like. Just like so. Alright, we are done with eyebrows. Next foundation, we are using the Fenty Beauty Skin Tint. This is in the color 21. I love the skin tint, y'all. I really do love the skin tint. Really good for looks like this if you're going natural, or if you're new to makeup, or if you don't like a bunch of full coverage foundation on your skin. Whichever you fall under, this is great for that. Alright, we got a little bit on the back of our hand. I'm gonna take my foundation brush, and we're gonna focus in on my hyperpigmentation areas to like give us more of an even tone. You can build this foundation up a little bit with, of course, extra layers, but I'm not really going for like a medium coverage today. I just want an even tone. So we're gonna finish that, and then we're gonna move on to lashes. Alright guys, now we're gonna move right on into mascara. I am using, this is not actually the mascara I usually use. I usually use either Better Than Sex or it's a dupe of Better Than Sex, and you can find it from, you know, Walmart, Target, your drugstore, makeup. And it's got the same packaging. It's called Paradise something. I forgot, don't know how I forgot, but I'll put a picture up for you guys so you can see it. I actually like that one better. But I legit just ran out, and I gotta go buy, honestly, probably about to buy 5 of them. But until then, we're gonna be using this. It's called Superstar Volume Issues. It's waterproof and smudge proof. Comes with a primer and the actual product, and it actually works really well. I wore it in a couple of my videos. So, yeah. But since this is like your everyday, and if you're rushing type thing, you don't have to use the primer. And on the other hand, if you do use the primer is really good for when you want the extra oomph and you're not an eyelash wearer. So, like, as in like extensions, or not extensions, falsies. So yes, today we are just only gonna do the actual product and not the primer, because I am wearing falsies. I usually use falsies with this look, but you can keep it as just mascara if you like. Okay. So I'm gonna put on maybe like 2 to 3 coats of this, and I'll be back with you. Why did I say it like that? And I'll be right back with you guys. Alright, and before I put on my falsies, I wanted to show you guys how it looks with. This is about 2-ish coats of mascara. I did one good full coat and then like a quick like dusting of another coat on top, because I am putting falsies on. I don't want it too like caked on mascara if I'm put falsies on top. But if I was just wearing my natural lashes, I would probably put like 3 to 4 coats depending on how I'm feeling that day, but typically it is that much. But into the falsies, we are using the London Eyelure lashes. It came in a pack of 3. I love these lashes, very cute, very they're full but not like, you know, too full, and that's usually what I go for. I'm usually more of a, I like my length than the volume for me personally, but we're going a little more volume today. So I'm gonna throw these on and I'll be back to do lipstick / lip gloss. Alright, we are done with our lashes. We got our bottom mascara on as well. Really makes any kind of look pop. That's why I love putting falsies on any kind of look, no matter how simple, no matter how glam, dramatic you go. The lashes will always, if you want to spruce it up even more. You don't have to, but if you want to. But let's get right into this lip gloss. Today we'll be using the Fenty Beauty Color and Hot Chocolate. This is my favorite lip gloss. This is my favorite. Wear this honestly because I'm very much a nudes, earthy tones type person in general when it comes to my makeup. When I have eyeshadow on, it's usually nude / earthy tones. Lipstick, nude / earthy tones. Highlighter. Actually, I like using a little bit of. Sometimes I actually will use, like, for example, the Fenty Beauty highlighter in Diamond Bomb. That's not necessary nude / earth tone, but other than that, yes, that's my favorite. That's my favorite. And today we'll be using this. I was debating using Fenty again. If you couldn't tell, I love Fenty. But I was thinking about using in Fenty Beauty again. It's actually a lip plumper in the shade. I got it for free with like a purchase from Ulta. It's in the shade Hot Cherry. This color is so cute. This color is so cute. You could mix them. I might mix it. We'll see. I don't know. Either one will work. How are we feeling actually? How are we feeling? I don't know why I'm acting like this is live, but either one really will go. But honestly, now looking at it, I think I'm gonna put on this one because I just really love the color. Not that I need some lip plumping, but I love the color. And it's like a nice sheer red. So we're gonna apply this real quick. And then maybe some highlight. We'll see. I usually don't do highlight with this. It really depends on my mood. But we might be schnazzing it up some. So we either showcasing the final product or adding some highlight. So I'll be right back with y'all. Okay. We are going to add a little bit of highlight, just to add a little bit of glitter, because your girl loves glitter. That is my next favorite thing when it comes to makeup, is the glitter. My absolute fave. So we're going to take this fan brush. We're going to dust in here. Honestly, and a pro tip for this Fenty Beauty highlighter, your foundation sometimes will transfer from your face to dipping again, so keep that in mind, because it can like leave like a little layer on top, and sometimes that prevents the brush from picking it up as good as it should. So just keep that in mind with how many times you go back and forth. Yes. Honestly, just put enough, because it's enough, because this stuff go a long way. It's really when you want to add, like, if you want it more intense, I guess is the best word to go with. So sometimes I just do like a quick little swipe on the top, and that helps. But yes, because this is not like as powdery as some highlights are, I like putting it on my brown bone as well. Alright guys, and this is our final product. What are we thinking? I love this look so much. This has been my favorite the whole summer. It's like you could wear this anywhere. It's like glam but natural, both. Dare I say both? I don't know, but it's giving. It's fully giving, and I love it. It's really beginner. Let's not get too excited. But it's very beginner friendly. Of course, if you're a pro makeup artist as well, oily girl friendly. If you're a dry skin, this is dry skin friendly. I also off camera added this Revolution Conceal and Define mattifying spray. Of course, if you're more of a dry skin person, I would not do all the extra mattifying tips that I gave today. Like I would have tried a more like hydrating primer. And if you like a matte finish, and of course a matte setting spray, but a hydrating primer, make sure you moisturize before all that as well. But yes, this is our finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial. I'm glad I showed my I'm glad I finally talked with you guys about the life update that I did at the beginning of the video. Yes, very excited about that. Fingers crossed everything comes through, because the show that I was telling y'all about, they started writing today as of August 2nd. That might give away more of a hint if you follow certain pages on Twitter. But also, if I decided to, in editing, to tell y'all what it is, then y'all know. I don't know. I just don't know if I want to keep it a secret for now or not, but yeah. And into the future, and until next time, hold on. Just get that, that final look. Just that final look. Alright. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!